Bro, what? So this is day 72. Yeah, like it's Upcat is very near. So nasabi ko baka hapon that Upcat UP nag-release sila ng reviewer for Upcat. Grabe, like ba't kahapon lang? I mean, they can do that before like yung bakasyon pa namin, di ba? Grabe, eyebags. Wala, ayun nga, mabalik tayo. Grabe, like, alam mo yun, next. Wala na. I mean, doon na lang siguro ko magbe-base sa binigay ni UP kasi I can't do more. I mean, dami kasing gagawin na yun since naka-try term kami, mabilis na pace, a lot of happenings, mabilisan lahat, pero madami. Fast pacing, tambakan. Tapos ayun nga, may ilang quiz and so I don't know kung masasingit ko pa yung upkat na yan. I mean, it's privilege to take that upkat kasi not all of us makakakuha ng slot. I mean, has a privilege to take cut. Bakit sabihin lang natin na it's an admission test? Pero hindi naman kasi lahat tayo nun. Like, may kakayanan kasi iba malalayo. Yung iba, hindi kaya ng budget kasi pupunta doon. Yun nga. So, it's really need to be serious. Okay lang. I'm still thinking about the upcut kasi sayang yun, bra. Sayang. Pero, if ever, siguro hindi matutuloy since super live. Pagod doon like kung BSU may possibility pa, pero if upkat QC to Bulak, that's something like sige, that's day 72 of pangarap ng cringe charing. So yun lang kwento sa buhay in 2 minutes. Babush! Zim nga.